Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save Dhainya seeds. Let's get to it. Okay, so first up, what you're gonna do is, if your Dhainya is growing in a shady area, just move it to a place where there's a lot of sun. Then it will start giving seeds not long after that. So how to know is, it's first gonna start growing like this when your Dhainya leaves start turning thin like this, looking like fennel, and then it's gonna form those white flowers, and then soon after that the flowers will fall off like this, and then the seeds will appear. Will be small, and then once the seeds sit and once the flowers appear, you can still keep watering it, but once you see the seeds appearing, stop watering them. Like this one, I stopped watering because obviously there's enough seeds on, but there is still flowers, but it does fall off and it will still provide more seeds. I'll show you now the one what is done. So as you can see, this one is done, so it's dried out completely. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it now down to 3, and then we can harvest the seeds. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave the roots in and just cut it from the bottom. So to harvest the seeds, you can just pull them off. You can put them in a brown bag or plastic bag and just shake it up and the seeds will fall off. But if the tree is smaller, you can just take it off by hand, or if it is huge like this, you just cut sections off and put it in the bag and shake it up, and there you go. And you can use the seeds in dishes just like that, or you can store them away or just plant them directly and they'll just give you some more. Dhainya. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like. Thank you. Yard out.